we're back again for part 2 for the holiday marketing with Canva. Now, if you haven't watched the part 1 yet, I'll put the link down below right here, or click the link in the description box, or you can also check our Brand Locally account. Hi everyone, this is Brand Locally. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips, social media marketing, or branding. Today we're going to discuss digital marketing assets, event materials, merchandise, and promotional for holiday season with Canva.
Now, let's go to Canva and open up templates right here. Then, as you can see here, Canva has something special for you, a template. Let's see what we can do with this one before we can go to our customize. Wow, this one is nice. Oh, so this one we can also add this one to our story, and maybe we can customize this. Then let's go down. There's a lot of things that we can add to this one, to our social media platform. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Also the animations and everything, the templates are all ready. You just have to save it. Oh no, you just have to edit them a little bit. Maybe this one, instead of a really great site, you can just put your website in it. Then now let's go to email newsletter. Don't forget the holiday words. Okay. Well, let's scroll down a little bit. And let's do this one. Let's customize this one. Wait for it to open. Now, if you still don't know what to put it in here, you can always ask ChatGPT. Now, I already have one ready for this. Let's share it. Can you please create an engaging newsletter text for my holiday season? So they put everything here, and what you can do is just copy. Copy this one. And paste. Now we have that, and let's go to ChatGPT again, and I want this one. Let's go back, and put it up here. So this one is a bit long, so let's just cut this one and paste it here. You can always adjust this one like this, and edit this one to your brand name. And that's it. You already have a newsletter. You can always print this out, or you can even send this to everyone, every contact that you have. Now, since we're inviting a lot of people into our houses this holiday season, we want to create an invitation for them. So let's do invitation for holiday season. Let's wait for it. They have Christmas party, holiday party. What if I'm inviting people over for a holiday cocktail party? So let's do holiday cocktail party. Okay, so now they have this Christmas cocktail party. Let's check this one. Let's check other ones. This one's nice, so maybe we can customize this one. Okay. You can always change the color. If you want to change the color to your branding color, that's okay too. So let's go to brands, then shuffle, 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 shuffle. This one is nice. I like this. So December 25. Oh, Then let's put up some edges here. Then this. Then RSVP to your number. Just add it, or you can also add your email to it. And that's it.
And that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye. Happy holidays, everyone.